The comment tag adds notes to the HTML code. Let's start out with an example. I'm going to create a simple web page here. So I'll render that. And then I'll go ahead and put a byline using the H2 heading tag. Okay, and render that. Okay, so far so good. Now, let's say I want to comment out this line here. I don't want the byline to show up, but I still want the code in there in case I want to put it in later. So I can put some space above or to the left of the code that I want to not show up, and create the comment with a less than sign, an exclamation mark, and 2 minus signs. And then I go to the other side of the code that I want to comment out, put 2 minus signs and a greater than sign. So now when I render it, see, the byline doesn't show up. It's still here in the HTML code. So if I want it to show up again, all I have to do is take out the comments, and it shows up again. So another way you can use this is to separate parts of your HTML code. If you have a lot of HTML code, it helps to do this. So I'm going to create a comment tag here and say all code goes below here. And remember, I have to end it with 2 minus signs and a greater than sign. There's no space there. Alright, so when I render it, you don't see this part. It's just there for the purposes of you, the coder. It just does not show up in on the web page. So that's basically it. The comment tag is very useful for coders, just so that you can keep track of what you're doing in your code.